Hi guys, this is Michael again here at Smart Sod. Had a question come in of how do I identify a dry patch in my lawn? So what I've done is I've come out here to the sod field and I've found a dry area in our sod field so we can take a look at it. So if he'll pan over here to the left, you'll see a nice green area of lush grass that looks good. And if you pan to the right here, you'll see a small spot of area that is actually drought stress. It needs water. So if he'll come in here a little bit closer, we can explain what's going on here. Okay, so if you look at this grass right here, this grass really looks good. You'll see how this blade of grass is actually folded out. It's ready for the sun. It's good to go. If you come over here, you'll see grass that's the same grass, just a few inches apart. It's funny how this transition from this lush grass to this grass over here is just such a difference. This soil starting right here going this way, there must be a little sandy pocket or something like this here, so the actual water is leaching out faster in this area. But if you look at this blade, you can see how this blade here is just folded together. What it's doing is it's actually creating less area for the sun to hit, so it's not getting as hot, not drying out as quick. And actually this grass over here in this brown area, it's sucked up like that. It's in survival mode. It is trying to just live at this point. It needs water that bad. But if you'll come back here to this nice thriving area, you can see how these blades of grass here are nice and wide, they're broad, and they're just ready for the sun and ready to grow and continue to grow. So that's how I would identify a dry patch in my lawn. I would look for a nice green area like this, and I would see some brown patch or areas where the leaves are actually folded together, and then you could identify it in that way.